The Samsung Galaxy Book 2 Pro 360 is a hybrid version of the clamshell Galaxy Book 2 Pro with the same Intel 12th generation processor and AMOLED display. It has a 360-degree hinge design similar to the Dell XPS 13 2-in-1, allowing the keyboard to flip up behind the screen to transform it into a makeshift tablet. Even though the specs should allow for fast performance and the capacity to work in numerous tabs at once, this appears to be a better alternative for people wishing to engage in more artistic pursuits that require more precision rather than productivity, thanks to the included S Pen. Let's have an in-depth look at Samsung Galaxy Book 2 Pro review. Design and keyboard. The small and lightweight design of the Galaxy Book 2 Pro 360 is comparable to that of its predecessor, even though the Book 2 Pro, which weighs only 1.17 kilograms, has a beat in terms of portability. The 1.41 kilogram weight makes it ideal for on-the-go use. Because the designs are so similar, the Galaxy Book 2 Pro 360 has the same issue with smudges and fingerprints on the lid, with the burgundy color making it more noticeable. Because this laptop is composed of aluminum, the overall build quality isn't as fantastic as you may think. It feels solid during turning the screen back on, but if you press it hard on the keyboard or chassis, it will flex somewhat. In terms of the keyboard, the depth and responsiveness of the keys are a joy. You will be able to type out a few hundred words quickly, and it can be felt great while not creating too much noise. The trackpad is very spacious and comfortable to operate. Screen. While the Galaxy Book 2 Pro 360 is available in two sizes, 13.3 and 15.6 inches, it is a pleasure to utilize the screen. You can effortlessly type on the on-screen keyboard and access web pages while bending back. The S Pen with this model seemed to respond well to the fingers. We could easily sketch and swipe between apps. Although the resolution is on the lower end, at 1920 by 1080, the AMOLED display ensured that colors remain brilliant. No matter what you watch on the screen, it will retain a fair amount of detail and sharpness. The screen appeared to be fairly bright when used both inside and outside. Performance. This beautiful laptop includes an Intel Evo 12th generation core processor and Intel Iris Xe graphics. The current generation Intel i5, i7 CPUs ensure that this laptop should run quickly with cutting-edge processing speeds, making it a good laptop for productivity or casual creative work. Because of the integrated Intel Iris Xe or Intel Arc graphics, this laptop has several limitations. As a result, you shouldn't anticipate it to be the greatest for demanding creative tasks like 3D rendering or movie editing. However, it should be completely adequate for routine work. Both the smaller and larger models have storage capacities ranging from 256 gigabytes to 1 terabyte, with RAM capacities of 8 gigabytes, 16 gigabytes, 32 gigabytes for both. Battery. When it comes to battery life, Samsung claims that the Galaxy Book 2 Pro 360 can last up to 21 hours, which is a significant boost considering that the Apple MacBook Air only lasted 18 hours in numerous tests. The results may be distorted depending on how Samsung tested the laptop. However, following further testing, the actual battery capacities can be stated. Ports. Ports haven't altered much over the decades. One Thunderbolt 4 port, two USB-C connectors, a headphone socket, and a micro SD card slot is available on the Galaxy Book 2 Pro 360. Dongles will be required, but given that Dell removed the headphone jack and the micro SD card slot from its XPS 13, it's encouraging to see that other laptop manufacturers have retained them. If you need more ports, the Galaxy Book 2 Pro also has HDMI and USB-A ports in addition to USB-C. Webcam. On modern laptops these days, 1080p webcams are standard, and the Galaxy Book 2 Pro 360 is no exception. The 15.6-inch variant has an FHD 1080p webcam, while the 13.3-inch model has a 2.0 megapixel FHD 1080p camera. The webcam, according to Samsung, provides a wider angle vision of up to 87 degrees, up from 77 degrees. Improvements to the device's software include auto framing, which keeps you in the center of the frame. Background effects and face effects can help to enhance your appearance by removing visual distractions from the background. On both your end and the other end of the video call, bidirectional AI noise canceling cuts out distracting noises. The Samsung ecosystem. An app called Second Screen is a unique feature integrated into the 2017 Galaxy Book series, as well as previous years. A suitable Samsung Galaxy tablet can be used as a second display for your Galaxy Book 2 Pro 360 with it. It runs pretty smoothly. In the settings, Windows recognized it as an external display. The S Pen worked on the second screen as well, and the scrolling was smooth. It will feel as natural as if you had a dedicated display, similar to Sidecar on macOS. Samsung Multi-Control, which allows you to utilize your Galaxy Book 2 Pro Series keyboard and trackpad on your Tab S8, is another synergy. Quick Share can be used to share files with a Samsung Android phone, and SmartThings can be used to operate connected smart devices. In Windows 11, there are additional integrations with your phone that allow you to see Android apps from your Galaxy phone on your PC. The price and availability. Pre-orders for the Samsung Galaxy Book 2 Pro and Galaxy Book 2 Pro 360 will start on March 18, 2022, with retail availability commencing on April 1st. The Galaxy Book 2 Pro 360 will cost $1,250 and will be available in 3 colors: burgundy, graphite, and silver. In graphite and silver, the Galaxy Book 2 Pro will cost $1,050. The Galaxy Book 2 360 will cost $900 and will be available in graphite and silver. So guys, that was it for this video. What did you think about our video? Let us know in the comment section below. If you are new to our channel, be sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell to get notified about our latest video. Thank you for watching.